This is the spring constant calculator, which uses Hooke's law to determine spring properties from applied force and displacement. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have applied force F, where you enter the force value. The force unit dropdown offers three options: newtons, pounds force, and kilograms force. For this demonstration, I'm using newtons. Next is displacement X, where you enter how far the spring moves. The displacement unit dropdown provides 5 choices: meters, millimeters, centimeters, inches, and feet. I'll use meters for our example. Now for a worked calculation, I'll enter 10 for applied force F and 10 for displacement X. After clicking Calculate Spring Properties, we get our results. The spring constant K equals 1 Newtons per meter. This tells us the spring's stiffness, meaning it takes 1 Newton of force to compress or extend this spring by 1 meter. The calculator also shows potential energy stored equals 50,000 joules. This represents the elastic energy stored in the spring at this displacement, which could be released when the spring returns to its original position. This tool streamlines spring analysis for any engineering application. Find the link in the description below.